Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a quick view option on your Shopify store, so let's get right into it. Now, this is in large part tied to the theme that you're using. Some themes, mainly paid themes, have a quick view option which you can enable in your customization screen. However, most of the free ones do not, and if they do not, then you do have to mess around with the actual theme code, which I am not a professional at, nor do I know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to skip that part, and I'm going to tell you guys to look for solutions online if you're interested in doing that. However, I'm going to show you guys where you can actually enable for themes that actually have a quick view. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to the online store, go to themes, and if you have a theme that actually supports quick view, you can easily search for the quick view functionality in the theme store. Then you need to go into customize, and I don't have any themes that are supportive of quick view. The trade theme is tagged that it has a quick view, but it doesn't from what I've seen. And what you need to do once you enter your customization screen is go to theme settings, go to product cards, and there's going to be product tiles or another option. You just want to click under that. It's right under product cards, and once you click that, you'll have the option to check off a box that says enable quick view for your products. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is save, and your quick view will be enabled. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys, but I can't find any free themes that have the quick view option, and I don't know how to code, so I'd rather not confuse you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.